Hi, I'm Emma. What's your name?
Hey, I'm Jack. Nice to meet you.
How's your day going?
It's going well, thanks. How about yours?
Not bad, just a bit busy with school.
It's really hot today, isn't it?
Yeah, I can't wait for it to cool down. Got any plans for the weekend?
I'm thinking of going hiking. What about you?
I might go to a movie with my friends.
I love your dress. It's beautiful.
Thank you. I just got it yesterday. What's your favorite food?
I really like pizza. How about you?
I love sushi. Have you seen the new Marvel movie?
Not yet, but I'm planning to this weekend.
How's school going for you?
It's pretty good. A bit stressful with exams coming up.
Tell me about it. I've got a lot of assignments to finish.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I love painting. How about you?
I enjoy playing basketball. Do you listen to music often?
Yeah, I listen to music all the time. What about you?
Same. I love pop music.
If you could travel anywhere, where would you go?
I'd love to visit Paris someday. How about you?
I've always wanted to see Japan. Do you like playing any sport?
Yeah, I play soccer. How about you?
I'm not really into sports, but I like swimming. How long have you known your best friend?
We've been friends since high school.
That's awesome. I've known mine for years too. Do you have an iPhone or Android?
I have an Android. What about you?
I'm Team iPhone.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love it. But I try not to overdo it.
I'm the opposite. I avoid it as much as I can.
Are you on Instagram?
Yeah, I post pictures from my travels. What about you?
Same. I like to share photos of my artwork.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. How about you?
I've got a dog.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yeah, I love reading mystery novels.
I'm more into fantasy books. So, what's your favorite color?
I like blue. What about you?
I love purple.
What do you want to do in the future?
I'm thinking about becoming a teacher.
That's amazing. I want to work in technology. Do you play video games?
Sometimes, but I'm not that good at it.
No worries, I can teach you some tricks.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 sisters. What about you?
I'm an only child. What's your all-time favorite movie?
I can never choose, but maybe The Lion King.
That's a classic. Have you ever been to a concert?
Yeah, I went to a Coldplay concert last year.
That must have been amazing.
What does love mean to you?
To me, it's about trust and understanding.
I agree. It's about supporting each other no matter what.
Are you going to the party this weekend?
Yeah, I am. Are you?
Definitely. It's going to be fun. Do you work out regularly?
I try to stay active. I go jogging in the mornings.
That's awesome. I hit the gym a few times a week. How many hours do you sleep at night?
Usually 7 to 8 hours. What about you?
Same, though sometimes I stay up late.
Do you like to draw or paint?
Yes, I love painting. It's my favorite hobby.
That's awesome. I'm not that good at it, but I love looking at art.
Do you prefer online shopping or going to the store?
I like online shopping. It's so convenient.
I agree, but I still enjoy going to the mall sometimes. What's your dream vacation destination?
I've always wanted to go to Italy.
That sounds amazing. I'd love to see the Eiffel Tower in Paris.
Do you prefer running or cycling?
I prefer running. It's a great stress reliever.
I like cycling. It's less tiring for me. Do you like horror movies?
Not really. I get scared easily.
Haha, I love them, especially the thrillers.
Can you cook?
Yeah, I can make a few dishes. What about you?
I can cook, but I'm better at baking. How's work going for you?
It's pretty busy, but I enjoy it. How about you?
Same here. Lots of deadlines to meet. What's your favorite subject?
I really like history. What about you?
I love English literature. Do you use social media a lot?
Yeah, I'm on Instagram and Twitter.
Same. It's hard to stay away from it these days. How do you handle stress?
I like to take deep breaths and listen to music.
I try to exercise to clear my mind. What qualities do you look for in a friend?
Honesty and a good sense of humor.
Same here. It's so important to laugh together.
What are you doing later today?
I'm meeting up with some friends for lunch.
Sounds fun. I'm just going to relax at home. Do you like playing video games?
I don't play much, but I've tried some games with my brother.
I'm a huge fan of RPGs. Do you ever ask your friends for advice?
Of course. They always have great opinions.
Same. I trust my best friend with anything.
Are you reading any interesting books?
Yes, I'm reading a thriller. It's really gripping.
That sounds cool. I'm reading a mystery novel. What's something you've always wanted to achieve?
I've always wanted to travel the world.
That's a great goal. I'd love to do that too.
Do you like road trips?
I love them. There's something fun about the journey.
I agree. It's all about the adventure. What's your favorite animal?
I love dogs.
Me too. They're so loyal and playful. How do you stay fit?
I do yoga and sometimes go for a run.
That's awesome. I prefer weightlifting.
Are you excited for the party tonight?
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun.
I'm looking forward to it too.
Do you ever have crazy dreams?
All the time. Last night I dreamed I was flying.
That sounds amazing. I often dream about being late for something. What do you like to do when you have some free time?
I usually watch movies or go out with my friends.
Sounds fun. I like to play games or read.
When is your birthday?
It's in March. What about you?
Mine is in November. Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I went to Spain last year.
That sounds amazing. I've always wanted to visit Europe. Do you post a lot on social media?
Not really. I just post occasionally.
Same, I mostly just watch others' posts. Can you cook any special dishes?
I make a mean spaghetti.
That sounds delicious. I'm good at making desserts.
Do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, I love it. I'm always looking for new outfits.
I can't stand it. I just buy whatever I need.
What's the last app you downloaded?
I downloaded a workout app recently.
Nice. I downloaded a meditation app last week.
Do you enjoy running?
Yes, I run almost every morning. How about you?
I prefer weight training at the gym. What kind of books do you like to read?
I enjoy fantasy novels and some romance.
I'm more into sci-fi and thrillers. What movie genre do you prefer?
I like romantic comedies. They're light and fun.
I'm into action movies, but I'll watch a rom-com if it's good.
Do you enjoy going to the beach?
Yeah, I love it. Swimming and playing volleyball.
Same here. I also like walking along the shore. Do you have any goals for this year?
I want to travel more and learn a new language.
That's awesome. I want to focus on my fitness this year.
Who's your favorite singer?
I really like Ed Sheeran. His music is so soothing.
Oh, I love him too. His songs are so heartfelt.
Do you watch sports?
Sometimes. I like watching soccer and tennis.
I'm really into basketball and football. How do you stay healthy?
I try to eat clean and exercise regularly.
That's great. I focus on eating fruits and veggies and doing yoga.
Do you have a big family?
Not really. I have one brother and 2 cousins.
That's nice. I have a larger family, 3 siblings and a lot of cousins.
Do you prefer shopping in stores or online?
I prefer shopping in stores because I like trying things on.
I usually shop online. It's so much easier. How did you meet your best friend?
We met in high school. We just clicked right away.
That's awesome. I met mine through a mutual friend.
What's the best place you visited?
I went to Greece last summer. It was beautiful.
I've always wanted to go there. I bet the beaches were amazing.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
I think it's possible, but love grows over time.
I agree. A strong connection takes time to build. What's your dream job?
I'd love to work as a photographer or travel blogger.
That sounds awesome. I've always wanted to be a software developer.
Do you like working out?
Yeah, I try to work out every day.
That's dedication. I like doing pilates and jogging.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I catch up on my studies and hang out with friends.
I like to relax and watch movies on weekends. What's the last movie you watched?
I watched Inception. It's a mind bender.
That's a great movie. I watched The Pursuit of Happiness last week.
Any exciting plans for the weekend?
I'm going to a concert with some friends.
That sounds awesome. I'm just staying home to relax.
Do you care about fashion?
I do, but I keep it simple. Just a few good outfits.
I love experimenting with different styles.
Have you ever gone on a weekend trip?
Yes, I went to a cabin in the mountains last summer.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I want to do something similar this year. What kind of music do you listen to?
I like a variety of genres, but mostly rock and alternative.
I'm into pop and some classical music.
What's the best gift you've ever received?
I got a camera for my birthday last year. It was perfect for my photography.
That's a thoughtful gift. I received a book I really wanted. Are you into gadgets?
Yeah, I love getting new tech.
Me too. I just got a new smartwatch.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love Italian food, especially pasta.
I'm a fan of Mexican food. Tacos are my favorite.
Do you like cooking?
Sometimes, but I'm not a pro in the kitchen.
Same here, but I love making new recipes. Have you ever had a weird dream?
Yes, I once dreamt I was flying over a city.
That's cool. I dreamt I was running from something scary.
What's one thing you want to accomplish this year?
I want to learn how to play the guitar.
That's a great goal. I want to improve my photography skills. How do you stay organized?
I use a planner and make lists for everything.
That's smart. I keep everything in my phone calendar. Do you have any big ambitions?
I want to travel to at least 10 different countries.
That's amazing. I'd love to travel too. What's the scariest movie you've ever seen?
The Conjuring still gives me chills.
I agree. It's terrifying.
Do you ever focus on self-improvement?
Yes, I always try to learn something new every month.
That's great. I like reading books on personal growth. Do you celebrate holidays with your family?
Yes, we usually have a big family dinner.
Same here. We always make special dishes.
What's your favorite movie to watch over and over?
I can watch The Dark Knight every time.
The Notebook is mine. Do you like watching documentaries?
Sometimes. I like learning new things.
Same here. I enjoy documentaries about history.
What are your goals for the next 5 years?
I hope to travel, get a good job, and maybe buy a house.
That sounds great. I want to finish my degree and start my career.
What's your favorite thing to do in summer?
I love going to the beach and having barbecues with friends.
Same here. Summer is the best time for adventures.
Do you remember your dreams often?
Not really, but sometimes I have dreams that stick with me.
Me too. Some dreams feel so real.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm going to a friend's wedding.
That sounds fun. I'm just going to relax this weekend. What's the most important lesson you've learned so far?
To never give up, even when things get tough.
That's a great lesson. I've learned to stay patient.
Do you have any unusual hobbies?
I like collecting action figures. It's a bit nerdy.
That's cool. I enjoy knitting in my free time. Do you like going to parties?
I enjoy small gatherings with close friends, but not big parties.
I feel the same way. It's better when you can talk to people.
What's a movie you've always wanted to see but never had the chance?
I've always wanted to see The Godfather.
That's a classic. You should definitely watch it.